Alright guys, so I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe with some chickpeas and some tomatoes here. I have some beets I'm going to be using up, so the stew is going to look nice and red. So yeah, it's going to be a beet stew with turkey, ground turkey, and I'm going to be putting in some rice to make it thick. Other than that, it's going to be easy. Stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. I put in some potatoes, the turkey's in there, and the tomatoes. What makes it red is the beets, and I'm going to cook it up right now. See how it tastes. I'll be right back, guys. So it's already been seasoned. I already seasoned it with some black pepper and everything else. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to hit it on the poultry button. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, guys. So the stew is all done here. Let's do a quick taste test. I'll just grab a little bit right here. Check that out. It actually has a nice smell to it, so the turkey really comes through. It's actually pretty good. You don't get much of the earthy taste of the beets, but you do get the sort of like the aroma of the beets. Actually, quite good. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.